Yo, what's up, everybody? We're back in the shop doing race car things here at Brzezicki Brothers Performance, and we found some damage that we're about to fix when we were fixing other damage. So let's have it. So as you see, the street sleeper is on a lift for some more repairs that we've from some damage that we found. We just finished putting in a brand new K member, the BMR K member, and while we were putting it in, come to find out, the race brakes rotors, the Baer rotors were cracked. So we got this side done. It's a two-piece rotor, so the one part is replaceable, and we went with the solid rotor. I guess the cross-drilled and slotted rotors aren't the best. They're known to break, and they broke and cracked. We're about to show you. So this is the driver's side, and this is going to be the new passenger side. So we'll take this over here, and this is the passenger one. We got all the hardware. You want to make sure you don't lose that. So basically, it's a weird bit. And I guess this is what they're called. The TR wing bit set. But we got these bits. So you put this bit in here and you tighten the nut on the other side. So two-piece rotor, we got it all separated, and basically only goes on one way. You line up all the holes, you take your bolt, put it in, and you put your nut on the other side, and you'll tighten them all down, torque them to spec. So while we're replacing them, the passenger side was cracked. It's kind of hard to get it on camera, but you could see there's a big crack in the rotor. Now, you know, these aren't the most expensive brakes, but they're a decent price. So we got a cracked rotor, and we're moving on the top end. We're doing about at least 150 in the quarter mile. And if this would have totally broke, yeah, that would have probably caused a lot of damage. But luckily we found it. The cracked rotor. And as you can see, the solid rotor. And basically, two-piece rotor. This comes off the other one. Goes on. Tighten that all back on. Tighten all the hardware in, and you get this. Now I don't know. I think we might have to break them in again. They got some crazy break-in bedding process. I think we'll have to do it with these. Hopefully they don't squill as much. The sides off. It's not too hard to do. It's pretty simple. If you could change your brakes, you can do this. So this is what we're up to. One of the last things we need to get this thing back and ready, roadworthy, race ready. After we get these on, get the other side on. We got this side on, but after we get the other side on, we'll have to take it for a test spin because we really haven't test drove it after we put the new transmission in, but I think it will be all right. So you know what to do till next video. Keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons to keep tuning in, and we'll catch you on that next one. Peace.